The St. Elizabeth Police remains on high alert after threats have been issued for reprisal based on the shooting incident that took place in Trial St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. There is a strong warning for the St. Elizabeth Police and the wider Area 3 Police Division to be on the alert for reprisal attacks. This comes on the heels after two robbers were shot and killed during a robbery attempt by a licensed firearm holder in Trial St. Elizabeth on Christmas Eve. The men were in the process of robbing a bar when they were challenged by a licensed firearm holder and subsequently met their demise. It is now understood that cronies of the deceased men Christopher Gardner and Siobhan Hall are now threatening reprisal attacks. The police are therefore urging members to be extra vigilant. Other police measures include increased stop and search along roadways and targeted operation. The police is also contemplating the possibility of relocating those who were present at the robbery. The police believe that there was a third suspect in the attack. In the meantime, the police is urging Romario Knight, also known as Maro, to turn himself into the nearest police station. According to a police statement, he frequents the areas of Ridge, Trial, Overhill and Junction in St. Elizabeth, Effortville, Boxhaven and Box Common in Clarendon, and Allison, Hanbury and Greenvale in Manchester. The police have stated that the men have strong criminal ties in the neighboring Manchester. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.